Hi friends, in this video let us see how to custom sort by color in Excel. This is the sample data that we have now with 3 different colors: red, amber and green. Let us custom sort now. First, click any single cell inside a dataset. In the Home tab itself, go to Editing Group, click Sort and Filter, click Custom Sort. The Sort dialog box will open. In the Sort By field, select Revenue from drop-down. In the Sort On field, select Cell Color. Similarly, you can also sort on Font Color and Cell Icon. And select the green color for the first row to keep on top. Click on Copy Level button 2 times and select the other colors like amber at second level and red at third level. Click OK. Now the desired result will look like this. This is so simple, right? So in this way you can custom sort by color in Excel. If you have liked this video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.